I do feel like that. I haven't bumped into NOTA. And, there's some real personal shit that he did, the day after Anela passed, He flew to Cape Town, right? And was there with me, with my family, spent time with my family, with my mom in the kitchen, me crying my eyes out on the couch, all of that stuff. And then he came back and he used all of that information that he gained as a friend to try and destroy me. So for me, I think I'm a better Christian now. I've really found a lot of solace in God, lately, over the last year or so.
Hi there guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lola. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share this video. So an old clip video of the late rapper aka exposing the cloud chasing NOTA Baloyi is trending on social media after NOTA claimed to care for the late rapper, and it's obvious that he was a fake friend, you guys. In the video, aka exposed a NOTA and revealed that he used his vulnerability during his back then girlfriend Nellie, who is now late to trend, aka revealed that he wanted nothing to do with him or NOTA. It has been revealed by this tweet that NOTA was chased away from AK's home by his parents following his death. The tweet wrote this, you guys, and exposed NOTA. This is what the tweet wrote. Where were you when Forbes had nobody? You were on Twitter pushing conspiracies. Now you're a savior. Foot egg, NOTA. You were turned away from Kenan's home yesterday, claiming you're SABC. Next thing, you're accusing everyone of BS. You are pathetic, always have been, and always will be. Fuck you, NOTA. We don't need you. Never did, never will. You are a fraud. Anyways, you guys, please do share your thoughts down in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so, because I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.